Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial I will show you how to enter your work location in the Bolt app. Just open the app and go to your account, which you can find at the bottom of the page, and now scroll down a little bit, and here under the saved places you can find the enter work location option. Tap on it and then write the location where you work, like airport, and then you can adjust it on the map by putting your finger here and move uh, the map. And if you are satisfied, click on confirm location, and from now on this is your workplace and you can use it when you order a ride. That's basically it. Thanks for watching.